Okay, so what I'm going to do is attempt to show you how to cross-list your classes. When you go to your dashboard, you'll see your new classes. Here I'm going to demonstrate with Miss Barrett how to take her 2017-18 classes and combine them to one. As you can see, she has her 4 social studies classes here. If you do not see this, you can click on courses here. And if you go to all courses, you can star the courses that you'd like to see in your dashboard. So that's why hers are there in the dashboard. So we're going to combine this 2017, this one here in section 10, section 11, section 12 into one. So I'm going to begin by taking section 4. I'm going to click on it. And if you go to settings in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that you're in sections here. Click on the social studies section, and it gives you the opportunity to cross-list. I'm going to click on cross-list this section, and I know that I'm going to type in Barrett. I know it's one of the classes here. I don't have it memorized which course, but here we have section 10, 2017-18. I want to cross-list that section 10, and right here you can see it's given us the SIS ID number, so I'm going to write that down, 81915, and that's the number I'm going to use to put all the courses in. So I'm going to click cross list this section, and that was section 10. So it says here it's successfully cross listed. If I go back, this is part 2. Sorry I lost you in that part 1. I lost control of her page. But as you can see here in this course, you see where it says section 10. We're going to put all of the classes into this section 10. And this is going to be her main course. So I'm going to choose a different course than section 10. And I'm going to go down to settings. Stop masquerading. And when I click on settings, I'll click sections, the section tab. You'll see this section. Click on that section. And we're going to hit cross list this section. So we want to put it in that section 10, and I'm going to put the code in that I picked up from section 10, which is 81915 that I wrote down. And I'm going to cross list this section and hit cross list. And it's saying it's going in section 10. Yes, that's what I want. So I'm going to go back to her courses. And again, I lost her. So I'm going to have a part 3. So welcome to part 3. So you'll see here, and we'll have section 10, and we have 3 courses in that right now, and we have 1 left here to add, her section 12. So I'm going to click on the section 12, and then go to settings in the local navigation. We'll repeat this process. Settings, click on sections. This section 12, we want to connect with section 10. So we're going to cross list this section with section 10. And we already picked up the SID number, which is 81915, because we wrote that down. Click across the 6th section. You can see right here it says section 10, Barrett. So cross list this section. And it's complete. All of her classes are now in section 10. So we're going to go into section 10 and rename that for her class this year. That will be in the next video. And for the final video, we have all of her classes in this section 10. And notice that there are fewer courses here showing on display because we've placed them here. So we're going to rename it. Before we rename it, I want to click to make sure everything's done properly. So I clicked on that section 10. You can see section 10 here. And I'm going to click on grades. When I click on grades, it'll allow here in the upper right-hand corner to show all sections. If I click show all sections, you can see I've got section 10, section 11, 12, and 4. So all 4 of her classes are in this one location. So this is a success. So that's a good way to check yourself that you're doing this correctly. Now I'm going to go to the home, and I'm going to rename this section 10 by going to the settings in the bottom left-hand corner. And right here where it says name, this is section 10. We can erase this here and put whatever you want it to be. Right now, I'll just put Barrett 2017-18, and you can go back and change that. Code, we'll do the same thing, social studies. You can change this name. Social studies. Let's see what else we have. Studies. 2017-18. It's a good idea to put dates on everything so it's not confused with past classes. If you want the fancy image, with the GIFs and the moving image, that's where you choose the image for your course. You can upload that. Right now, it's just a plain basic color. And at the very bottom, you want to make sure that you save this detail. So I save the details. If we go to the page now, I'm afraid I'm going to lose it. You can see it's been renamed Social Studies 2017-18. And the home page here, 2017-18. So you might want to rename that and put Barrett back in the name, which is easy to do. Just put settings. And we'll put Social Studies 2017-18. There, so that's where you will change it. And then save that or update the course. You can see here the name up here, Social Studies 2018 Barrett. So she's ready to go. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Have a great day.